Hey crazy kitties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New here. I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is Liveglam. Woohoo! With this, I am so excited because guess what I got? I got a lot of brushes. And some of the brushes I'm gonna keep, and some of them are gonna be into the giveaway box that I am creating, which I'm very excited. So let's get down to it. Liveglam is a $21.99 subscription. You get a mixture of makeup brushes and probably an eyeshadow palette and a lot of lippies, mixture, a lot of stuff that they create themselves. The brushes, sometimes they have their own brushes and sometimes they have more free brushes depending on the month what they created for the month and everything. So I'm very excited because there's a palette in here that I finally have in my collection. I'm like, yes, I'm waiting for new eyeshadow palettes from them because I'm very excited. But good thing about Liveglam, if you do not like the products, you can always switch them out if you don't like each product out depending on the points. And of course, if you don't want the collection, you can always skip it, but you can also switch it out. Sometimes you can make your own depending of which is kind of interesting, which as it looks like it's one of those things, should I not type of deal, but we'll see. But and also you get 2 free new products, maybe 1 product. If you use your points, you can get a free product. Sometimes they give you just a free product. So yeah, some of them I'm very excited about. So okay, they gave me 2 cards. One was for the eyeshadow, the next one is for the collection. So we are going for this created box or bag for this month for November is the secret code. Very excited. Okay, crack the code to follow Glam with the secret code Liveglam Club Collection. This is your ultimate undercover beauty kit, sleek, mysterious, full of surprises. From daring lips to eyes that captivate, you'll be serving serious secret agent vibes. Ready to take on your next glam mission? Your beauty secrets are safe with us. So, of course, they gave me the card for this eyeshadow palette, and this is called Insta Glam, which is really cute. So, your final mission. Congrats, you made it to the final training stage and you're 1 step closer to join the FBI. That's like it. In order to officially become a secret agent, your last mission is to create a feisty killer look using shades from a new Investa Glam palette. These 5 mattes and shimmers will embrace your cute and psycho personality and make your looking extra glam to memorize all of your enemies. They're also making you want to spill the tea and give you 411 to everyone you know, which is the only time you can create our girl code. If you're ready to join us, become the next James Blonde. Get to Blend and tag us on Instagram with the hashtag LiveglamFam so we can stalk her and repost those looks. See you there, Trap Queen. Of course, the names that you see is part of the eyeshadow. So, very interesting. I do not have this in my collection. It was part of their Shadow Me subscription they have, and they had 3 separate ones. And I cannot wait to go, please. So, you got your basic black, your mauve colors, your pink, and your gold. So, this is what it looks like. I got a cool idea of how I'm gonna do it. Yeah. So I want to play with this palette. This palette for this season. I do not which ones I know I do not have these in my collection. Is the Liveglam lip liners. This one's called Cupcake. It's this color, which is really pretty. And this one I definitely know I don't have it. This one is called Cranberry, which is this color right here. Now there are brushes in here, and of course there's a lip product in here that I am not going to keep because this is not like my style of foot color anyway. And this one is called Resting Brunch Face. And this is this dark brown right here. I am not going to swatch this. This is a very dark brown. It's a very cool tone dark brown. Not playing with this because not my style. So that will go in there. So I got mini brushes. I got the M427 brush. I got the 456 brush. Brown blender. I hate when I do it. 513 brush. I got the 160, the 1/16th liner brush, which I'm definitely gonna keep because yeah. And I got the angle liner is 165 brush, which I am going to keep. And there's like 2 brushes here, and they're this. Oh no. These are both M30 and they look so the same. I am not going to keep this one because I already had 2, so okay. These two were switching. Also extra 2 products. One of the extra products along with the lipstick. These were part of the collection. I'm here thinking about the Tempered Duo brush. I'm thinking this and this will be into the giveaway because I don't feel like I need another blush brush or anything like that, because I think this one, the Tempered Duo blush brush, is good for the cream products, and I don't use cream blushes very often. It's very seldom I'm gonna do. So I think these 4 brushes is gonna be good for you along with the lip piece. So what do I feel about this collection? I like it. I really do enjoy this one. Love the extra. I love how they're updating their stuff. The only thing I wish they will come out more with, that would be cool to see, is liners. And more eyeshadow palettes. That I would love to see. I want to see highlighters from them because their eyeshadows are phenomenal. And I actually want to see if they can do something similar with the highlighters and the blushes. That would be cool. And see eyeliners. I would love to see an eyeliner from them because I feel like that would be amazing to see from them. Hopefully they do, because I know certain products takes time to create and everything. But I'm very excited about that. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button so you want to see more content like this, especially from Liveglam. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here, and of course, we may be crazy, but we cute at the same time. And of course, make sure notification bell so you can know about any new videos that I upload. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!